Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As promised in the previous video, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute nursery mobile or wall decor with the crochet balls. I ended up collecting some twigs and sticks since I can't really go out shopping for the pretty woods and we just need to anyway. Okay, I just wrap some yarns around to smoothen out the rough surface, and then I place them in an X position and I'm gonna fix them together with a nail in the middle. Now comes the basket of balls. I made them in 3 different colors: gray, yellow and white. Make sure you go from the center of the ball and come out from the other center. Sometimes this could take a while, finding the center spot. I'll leave a link in the description on how to make the perfect ball in case you need to see them. Alright, now pull the knot in all the way into the body because we don't want any tails hanging out of it and make our project look messy. And because of the knot, the balls won't fall off, so don't worry about that. And nothing fancy, I just used one of the bright color yarns for the rope to thread them all together. So connect all 3 of them or as many as you want in this manner. Now, how you fix it is really your choice, but for now, when I attach them to the handle, I want them to drop down at unequal height. So I'm gonna arrange my rope or string this way. Make 5 of this. Now we will attach them to the 4 arms of the mobile structure and one at the center. Now this one is totally optional, but since I have some beads just lying around, I thought I'll include them in this project as an experiment. If it doesn't go well in the end, I might remove them. Anyway, let's go ahead and fix them up. Now tie the rope on the far end of the hand, then smoothen it with one more layer of gray yarn. And just at a small distance from it, tie the beads string and smoothen it out the same way. And of course, you can arrange the ball in any way you want. Placing them at random and separately is one way. Then you can also arrange them this way and let them drop down in spiral. But for this video, I'm doing just this one, dropping at random height. So here's what we just made. Let's take a look. It is this simple to make, though it can be a little time consuming, but when it's all done, it's super cute and makes all the effort worth your while. I would say it's kind of therapeutic too, you know, since we're all kind of bored staying home right now. On top of that, it surely brightens the room, and if there's a creep in your home, I think it'll work magic in the nursery. So what do you say about this? I would love to hear your comments and more ideas in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Also like, comment and share if you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.